Hello everyone, welcome to Malkeet Singh Academy. This is your host Singh. In today's video guys, I'm going to talk about the best screen recorder, so paid and free. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the best screen recorder which comes in the paid category. So let's start this video guys, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I keep posting these kind of videos. So the first screen recorder that I'm going to talk about is Movavi screen recorder. So this screen recorder I use for my personal use. So this is one of the best screen recorder that you find, because it is very easy and best use, you can say. So here, this is the panel here. Whenever you launch this software, you will see this kind of panel. And if I click on the settings button here, you will see all the settings. So very basic settings, easy to use, like disable countdown and all that here you can see. And if I click on the files here, so where you want your output of your video and keyboard shortcuts, and you can also increase and decrease the resolution of your video like 50 fps, and also use the audio quality, so some other settings. Webcam, so currently my system does not have any camera right now, but you can adjust your camera like upper right or left right, so wherever you find your preferences for camera. And effects like cursor, so highlight the cursor, so you can change the colors or increase or decrease the size of your cursor. So you can do a lot of things from going to the settings here. And the scheduler, so you can schedule your recording, so you can add the task here. So just set the date and time, and it will start recording your video of your screen. So these are very basic settings you can see. So you can also share directly to YouTube. So let me click on OK. So this is the panel I have already shown you. So let's record guys, and before recording, let me show you a very cool feature of this software is that if you want to take the screenshot, you already have a snipping tool in your Windows, but this software really help you whenever you want to add a take a screenshot. So all you have to do is to click on the camera, and you can select any like width and height of your screen. So let me select this width here. Now here it comes with certain tools here, like here you can see the shapes. So rectangular I can draw here, so the color I can change here by clicking on the color palette, so I can make it red, and some arrow lines here. So this is very useful whenever you can also make thumbnails of your videos from that. But taking screenshot has its own advantages, so you can use the very cool feature of this software, taking screenshot. So whenever you done your editing, just click on the save button here, so you can move these images, these figures here and there. Click on save, and this image will going to save here in your window explorer, so you can share it with anyone here. So this is a very cool feature that I just want to share with you. So now let's record here. You can see a recording kind of camera thing here, and you can adjust your size of your recording. So depending upon your requirement, you can select any size. So let me select the whole screen here, and here at the bottom you can see this is for web camera, so currently no camera is found, and this is for your audio microphone, and this is your volume. So if you want to include your system sounds, you can click on here, and this is of course this is recording, and this is for clicking. So whenever you click here anywhere, so it will get highlighted, so highlight color, and record keystrokes. So if you are using your keyboard, so it will record all the keystrokes here. So let me click on this record button here, so it will start recording. So here you can see the countdown. So now it is recording, and at the bottom you can see here a small transparent kind of window here. So this is my channel guys, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. I keep posting these kind of videos. So this is the panel here. So if you want to stop, so you can click here, so you can see this is for pause button. So my video is paused here, and if I click here, it will zoom here, and this is for stop. So this is for taking the screenshot, so automatically a screenshot will taken. And if I click here, you can see another window will open up. This is your video. So this is our screen recording that we have just done. So if I click on the play button, you can see the cursor, So you can do a lot of things like changing the color of your cursor and changing the frame rate. So you can do a lot of things here. So just click on show in folder, and this is you can see here, this is our recording. So I can't undo or click on cancel. So actually the window is already open here at the bottom. So let me click on back to the control panel here. So now I can cut it. So I will paste it on the desktop because I'm going to share with you guys different screen recorder. So this is my topmost screen recorder that I recommend to everyone because of this easy to use. So here you can see Movavi screen recorder. So you can purchase it from the official website. So this is the, and whenever you record, it will save the format of your video is in MKB. So the next type of is our screen recorder is Wondershare Uni Convertor. So this software is also used for a variety of things like converting one format of video into another, or one format of audio into another. So you can also compress the videos from Uni Converter, and this also has a very great screen recorder inbuilt in this software. So here you can see at the right top corner, so screen recorder. So this is also one of the best screen recorder if you use, but this is again, it is paid software. So certain settings here, system audio, microphone, and some settings. So you can change the frame rate, so you can set it to high or low quality, and some timer, record timer, mouse shortcuts. And here you can see to start and stop recording you have to use Control F6. So very basic settings. So all the settings for screen recorder are almost the same. So if I click on the record, you can see the countdown. So it has 5 countdown. So now I'm recording on my Uni Converter, so Wondershare Uni Converter. So if I click on any of my videos, so I have just made this video how to import contacts into WhatsApp by using the Google spreadsheet. So let me just record some things here. So I think that is enough for the recording. So that I will press the Control F6 here, so you can see the screen capture. And if I click on properties, you can see this Uni Converter save all the screen recorder in MP4 format. So let me paste here, and I'm going to change it for Wondershare. So this is our second software, so Wondershare Uni Converter. So if I double click here, you can see the quality of the screen recording. So it is kind of a full HD, you can see. And again, you can increase and decrease the quality of your video, of your screen recording. So that is all for Uni Converter, guys. So go ahead and check this out and download from the official website. So let's coming to our third screen recorder. So that is Filmora video editor. So if you use Filmora, you know this Filmora video editor is one of the best and easy to use video editor. So it comes with the inbuilt video recording feature. So again, it is a product of a Wondershare. So either you can use a Uni Converter or you can use this Filmora video editor. So if I click on new project, and here you can see the record option here. So this is for the screen recording, and you can also cast your webcam, so record PC screen. So this window again, it is lot similar to your Uni Converter. So again, all the settings are the same, what kind of window you want to screen, and you can change the mouse highlighting and the best recording. So you can see these are very basic settings you can do, and whenever it download and screen recorder your video, so it will go directly to the given location. So let me click on the recording option. So here you can see stop and hotkeys F9. So let me click on record. So a lot similar to Uni Converter, so you can also use that. And why I'm promoting these paid software, guys, because this paid softwares, these are very high quality. So if you are using these software, it will definitely record in full HD, and you can do a lot of things. So as compared to the free version of that I'm going to share with you later on. So here you can see this is the screen recording, and I have just made you the full screen here, and you can do the editing part directly from here. So that is why I just added this screen recorder to my list, so you can directly export it. So very easy to use. So just in one software, just record, edit and export your video. Coming to our fourth, this is Camtasia. So this is again very useful screen recorder. So Camtasia 8 I'm using. So maybe the time you are watching this video, there are so many other higher version of Camtasia. So not present, but there already have. But I'm using 8 because it has very good feature, and I can export to 1080 pixel here. So these are the settings, guys. So same settings. So just click on record. So F10 for stop the recording. And as you can see, I'm recording in my favorite screen recorder, that is Movavi screen recorder. So I'm using this Camtasia. So again I'm using this video. So let me open this Arjun Survival video. So this is my friend, and he make these kind of drawings. So do check the video of my friend. So he is an artist, so very great artist, I can say. So you can also definitely check the videos of my friend. So you can see. So let me click on stop, and here you can see you can directly delete from the Camtasia, and you can pause it and click on stop. So if I click on stop, and it will open this video player kind of thing here that is inbuilt in Camtasia. And again, this screen recording is in full HD. So this comes with the same video editor. So this Camtasia Studio, you can edit your videos. So you have to name it and click on save. So it will directly open in the Camtasia Studio, and here you will find so many things, like you can edit your video, zoom in, pan out, and adding text and all that. So you can do a lot of things from Camtasia. And when you done, so this is our recording, and the previous one is the starting of my video, because I'm using many screen recorders, and I don't know which one I'm using right now, but you know guys, so I'm using the Movavi right now. So here just click on this produce and share button, and it will, so I'm using the trial version here. So if you are using the full version, you can export it without the watermark. So now let's guide. So it's time to talk about the free version. So first in my list is you can see here, so I will put the link of this software, appowersoft.com. so you can use it for the online, so free online screen recorder. You can also download the app, so you can record your screen by using this free software. So free softwares are not as good as compared to the paid ones. So I always recommend to use the paid software. So you can buy the Movavi software. So the next one is Zoom. So we all know, due to this pandemic, we all are on to Zoom meetings. So this Zoom, if you're using the PC version of Zoom, you will find the recording option. So here you can see the record. So if I click on record, it will start recording. And if I share my screen, so let me share my screen. So this is recording all my screen, but you will not get certain features like editing and all that by using Zoom, but it will serve your purpose. So if you don't want to spend any money on your videos, on your screen recording, then you can use the Zoom. So let me click on, so you can also share the sound. So let me click on this cross button, and let me stop share. And I'm going to stop the recording, and here you can see recorded file will be converted into MP4. So let me click on end the file. No, I don't want to update. So here you can see converting meeting recording. So here it is, guys. So you can see, so not very much high quality, but it will serve the purpose of your recording. So here you can see, so it recorded the video, I think, in a decent quality, I can say. So coming to our next type, so let me paste it. So we have recorded our screens in different softwares. So I'm now talking about the free version. So next one is you all know, that is Microsoft Teams. So again, this is the same software like Zoom. So in Microsoft Teams, you will get the option to record your screen. So if you want to share your screen, and you can record all your videos, whatever you do on screen, it will get recorded. But the problem is that all the recording will go to your OneDrive, so you have to download. It will not directly record on your PC, so that is the main disadvantage of Microsoft Teams. So I think that is all, and you can search on Google, so you can find plenty of free softwares, but paid one are the best softwares like Movavi, Uni Convertor, and this you can see the Camtasia and Filmora. So there are so many softwares that you can use for screen recording. So that is all, guys. Hope you liked my video, and don't forget to subscribe, and do comment in the video that what screen recorder you use for your video recording of your screen. So thanks a lot, guys, watching this video, and see you soon, guys. Bye bye. God bless.